The Art of Apology, a 4-step guide to saying sorry. Introduction. The power of a sincere apology. A heartfelt apology can mend fences, heal wounds, and strengthen relationships. However, not all apologies are created equally. The effectiveness of an apology lies not just in the words, "I'm sorry," but in the sincerity and understanding accompanying them. A genuine apology acknowledges the hurt caused, takes responsibility, and sets the stage for forgiveness and reconciliation. Here's a 4-step guide to mastering the art of apology, ensuring your apologies pave the way for healing and growth. Step 1. Acknowledge the wrongdoing. Begin by explicitly stating what you did wrong. This step is crucial for showing that you understand the impact of your actions. Avoid vague statements and address the specific behavior or words that caused harm. For example, instead of saying, "I'm sorry for what happened," say, "I'm sorry for raising my voice and speaking to you harshly during our argument." Step 2. Express remorse. After acknowledging the wrongdoing, express genuine remorse for the hurt you caused. This communicates to the other person that you understand and regret the gravity of your actions. It's essential that your remorse is heartfelt and not just a formality. For instance, "I deeply regret my actions and the pain they caused you." Step 3. Take responsibility. A vital component of a sincere apology is taking full responsibility for your actions without deflecting blame or making excuses. Avoid using ifs or buts that can undermine the sincerity of your apology. Acknowledge that regardless of your intentions, the impact of your actions was hurtful. This step demonstrates your accountability and commitment to personal growth. Step 4. Offer to make amends. Finally, offer a way to make amends or improve the situation. This shows your willingness to take concrete steps towards reconciliation and ensures the same mistake won't be repeated. Your offer should be specific and actionable, tailored to the situation and the person you've hurt. For example, "To make things right, I want to," specific action. Additionally, "I will," what you will do differently in the future, to prevent this from happening again. The importance of timing and delivery. Timing. Choose an appropriate time for the apology, when both parties are calm and ready to engage. Delivery. Your tone and demeanor should convey sincerity. An apology delivered in person is often more impactful, though sometimes a written apology can allow for more thoughtful expression. Conclusion. The path to healing through apology. Saying sorry the right way is about more than just uttering the words. It's about demonstrating understanding, empathy, and a commitment to change. Following these 4 steps, your apology can become a powerful tool for healing and strengthening relationships. Remember, a sincere apology reflects strength of character and a deep respect for the feelings of others. Embrace the art of apology as part of your journey towards more meaningful and resilient connections.